This is problem 3. A particle moves along the x-axis so that at any time t is greater than or equal to 0, its velocity is given by v of t equals sine of 2t. If the position of the particle at time t equals pi over 2 is x equals 4, what is the particle's position at time t equals 0?
Since we're asked to find the position function and we're given the velocity function, we have to find the antiderivative of the velocity function. So to find that, we have to find the antiderivative of sine, which is negative cosine, and the 2t stays. And then we didn't know if there's an original constant, so we have to add plus c, and you have to bring out a 1/2 because that'll cancel out to do the derivative of the velocity function.
And then to find your c value, you have to plug in x equals 4 right there, and you have to plug in your t value, which is pi over 2. Your 2's will cancel out, and you have to find that cosine of pi is negative 1, which will cancel out with that negative, and you'll get 1/2 equals 4, so then you subtract the 1/2 and you get c equals 3.5.
And now that you know that your c is 3.5, now we can plug that back into the original position function. So if we're trying to find t equals 0, then you'll take your position function, plug in 0 for t, and now that we know plus c, we'll plug in 3.5. And cosine of 0 is 1, so 1 times negative 1/2 is just going to stay negative 1/2, and then you've got your plus 3.5. So you find that the particle's position at time t equals 0 is 3.
Which is choice C.
That's right.